Who would have thought that the Dacia Spring could make high quality coffee? Cheers. Bankrupt. Oh yeah. So you're going to say hello, Susie? I've never tried this before, and I thought I'd show you how the Dacia Spring can make top quality coffee with the DeLonghi coffee maker, bean to coffee maker. Absolutely wonderful. I never thought that. So on a long trip, I could easily put this in the boot of the car, stop, make a coffee. Instead of paying £5.50 for a latte, I just make my own. What do you think, Susie? This is Susie in November of 2024. One of my neighbours went into an old folks' home. She wasn't very well. I spent some time in 2024 looking after her, and unfortunately in November she was taken into an old folks' home, and someone had to look after Susie. This is her dog. She's a beautiful Bichon Frise, but she doesn't speak French. The French love the Dacia Spring, don't they? What do you think? Eh? And so we fostered the dog. We're looking for a new owner, and was not particularly successful. So in January of 2025, decided to adopt her proper, and she's been absolutely wonderful. And she's such a placid girl, aren't you, sweetheart? Eh? Aren't you? She's such a placid girl. And she's become a great friend. And she works with me and sits in the office while I work from home. And she's a great girl. She loves chasing pussycats, don't you? Oh, where's those pussycats? Oh. Where's those pussycats? You big puppy. So she's a great friend, and she comes in the back of the Dacia Spring, and she loves going for a ride. And she has a rug in the back of the car, so she can lay on the rug, and she enjoys the ride. She takes advantage of the air conditioning and the heating, and you seem to like the Dacia Spring, don't you? Eh? So she's a great friend. She's a lovely girl. She is a lovely girl. And if you've ever thought about having a Bichon Frise, I can highly recommend the breed. They're not demanding, and they're great fun. They do love lots and lots of cuddles, don't you? Eh? Don't you, little girl? So she doesn't take much looking after at all. Not at all. And she likes to go for a walk, don't you? And especially chase those pussycats. Where are those pussycats? You big daft girl. So she's a great girl. So this hopefully gives you an idea that you can take 240 volts from the Dacia Spring and power up whatever you need to power up. I think there is a limit of what ampage it can take, but it gives you a flavour of what it can do. I've just made a latte, and it tastes great. When I go out in the Dacia, I very much doubt I'll be taking the coffee machine, but it does prove a point. And just as a bit of fun, when I was in Moscow many years ago, I used to ask for a latte. Apparently, latte is a ladies' drink in Russia. Men don't drink it. And was questioned, why am I drinking latte? Because everybody thought I was coming from a different way, should we say. And I said, no, not at all. I just drink latte. Oh, okay. We make you latte. Yes, they were the days. What do you think, eh? That was before you were born. She's 6 years old. And a great friend. Aren't you? Aren't you, baby girl? Eh? You enjoy living here? Of course you'd enjoy living here. So, I hope this video on the Dacia Spring helped you in some way to realise what you can do with this adapter into the charging port, which then kicks out 240 volts or thereabouts, maybe 230 volts. I haven't tested it, and I haven't looked at the specifications either. I've just shoved the adapter in, which is in the boot of the car, the boot of the Extreme, and you can take power off and power up your coffee machine. Hope this was of use. If it is, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give the video a like. Drive safely, ride safely, be kind to everyone, and eat healthily. I'll see you very soon. Cheers. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, girl. Come on, should we go and get some pussycats? Where's them pussycats? Where's them pussycats? Let's go.